Good morning students. Today we start with standard second and concept fun with lines. Okay. We have to learn in this lesson lines. Different lines here. Okay. Next here we learn with fun. Okay. Then here take out your textbooks and open page number 6. Okay. Then here see, if we hold a thread in our two hands, okay, we take one thread and it holds in our two hands, okay, and stretch it tight, see, one thread is taken and hold in our two hands, okay, and then the thread stretch means straight, खींचना उसको, okay. Then here we get a straight line, okay. See here in the figure, here one thread is held in two hands, and here the straight line is formed, okay. The straight line is formed here, okay. See, if we let it hang loose, we get a curved line. When we lose the thread, then here curved line is formed here, okay. We stretch the thread, then straight line formed, okay, and we lose the thread, then curved line like this, curved line formed here, okay. Then here see how we get a straight line if we tie a stone to one end of the thread and let it hang. See here, this activity are you done many times, okay. See here, take one thread and in the one end you tie a stone, okay, and then hang it. Then we get a straight line like this. See here, thread is here, stone is here, and this is thread. When we tie this stone at the one end of the thread, then we get the straight line like this, okay. Then here in this book we shall be learning about a straight line. See here, straight line and curved line, but in this lesson we learn only about straight lines, okay. You learn only about the straight lines. Then see here, straight lines. Straight lines. You learn this spelling also. Straight line. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T. Straight lines. Okay. Then see in your textbook. See here. Three pictures are given here. Okay. Three pictures are given here. See here. First picture. Neha drew vertical or standing line. See here in the picture. Neha drew vertical or standing line. See here, Neha drew like this lines, like this, and this line is called vertical or standing lines. Vertical or standing lines. These lines are called as vertical or standing lines, okay. Then see in the next picture, Anagha drew horizontal or slipping lines. See here, Anagha drew like these lines. Anagha drew like these lines, and these lines are called slipping line or horizontal line, okay. This line is called slipping line or horizontal line. Horizontal line. Then here first we see vertical or standing lines, and then this line is called slipping or horizontal lines, okay. Then next, see in the third picture, Hamida drew inclined or sloping line. Hamida drew inclined or sloping lines. See here, sloping or inclined line. See here, in the third picture, Hamida drew like these lines. See here, like this. Hamida drew like these lines, okay, and these lines are called inclined line or sloping line. Inclined line or sloping line. See here, inclined or sloping lines. Sloping lines. Inclined or sloping line. See the spelling of incline, I-N-C-L-I-N-E-D. Incline or S-L-O-P-I-N-G. Sloping lines. Okay? Inclined or sloping lines. Then see here. This sloping line, this inclined or sloping line, and this one vertical lines. Vertical or straight line. Vertical and standing line. Standing lines. See, three different types of the lines. See, first one inclined or sloping line, vertical or standing lines, and slipping or horizontal line. See, these three types of the lines we have to study in this concept. Okay. Then see, in the next one activity are given for you. See here, see in the textbook. See, fold a paper and show vertical, horizontal and inclined line. See here, we take one paper here. See here, I take one paper here, okay. See, one paper is here. Then we fold this paper like this. If we fold this paper like this, then see here, these lines are formed. See here, these lines, and this line is called vertical or standing line. See here, this line is called vertical or standing line. Okay. Then see next, if we take this paper like this, okay, then see here, these two lines are formed here, okay, these two lines, and these two lines as like as these lines, okay. Then these lines are called slipping or horizontal lines. See, like this, slipping or horizontal lines, okay. Then see, if we fold this paper in the cross, see, like this, we fold this paper like this, then which line is we get, which type of line we get? See here, this inclined line, inclined or sloping line, okay. See here, inclined or sloping line, okay. Then see, next, draw lines like ones shown below. See here some lines are given for you. You also take a paper and to try draw like these lines, vertical lines, sloping lines and inclined lines. You also try for this, okay. Then see on next page, page number 7. See here, some pictures are given here. We draw the line with the help of the objects, okay. See here, first picture, I draw a line with the help of book. You draw a line with the help of book. See here, take a book like this. Take a book and see here. You draw lines with the help of this book. See here, like this. You draw also like these lines. Also you draw inclined line with the help of book. Okay. Then see next picture. I use a box to help me draw a line. With the help of the box, you also draw the lines. Okay. Then next see, I use a ruler to draw a line. Take a ruler and with the help of the ruler, you also draw the lines. And last, you done practice by these objects, and at last, I drew a line just by hand without the help of any device. Without help of any device, you try to draw the line with the help with your hands like this. Without taking any help of the device, we draw the lines. Okay. This very simple now. Okay. Then see here at the last, one picture is given for you. Identify the shapes and color them. See here some squares, rectangles, circles in this picture. Then see here, identify the shapes like triangle, circle, square in the picture alongside. Okay. Color triangle red. You color triangle with the red color. Okay. And circle with yellow color. You color the circles with yellow color. And rectangle or square in the blue color. Okay. Then see here, triangle is red in color, circle is yellow in color, and the rectangle or square is blue in color. Okay. You color this picture at the home. Okay. And practice for lines, to draw the lines. Okay. You practice at the home. Take a page and to draw, take a pencil and to draw the lines like this. Okay. You practice to draw the lines. Okay. Understood? Okay. Thank you.